Hello friends, today we will discuss about SCADA system. What are the different parts? What is the application of the SCADA system? SCADA is applied in the substations, various industrial control systems, and various systems where the control is necessary. Control and automation is to be provided. So here in SCADA system there are some equipments, some levels we have assigned: field level, level 1, level 2, level 3 and level 4. So first one is sensors and actuators which are at the field level. Then level 1 RTU and PLC is provided. In level 2 local servers, supervisor computers are provided. Level 3 cloud servers, coordinating computers are provided. In level 4 central computer and central servers are provided. So what is this SCADA actually? What SCADA performs? SCADA, we can say, it uses hardware and software parts to monitor and control the industrial processes. Its core parts include field sensors and actuators, PLC, RTUs, master terminal unit, server, communication networks, and a human-machine interface. So these sensors and actuators, first we discuss a point: field sensors and actuators. So sensors, what sensor do? It measure a physical quantity, measure physical quantity, okay, and trait like temperatures, temperature, pressure, flow, temperature, pressure, flow, converts it into electrical signal. So these are the sensors which are at the field location in the SCADA system. Actuators. So these actuators, what these actuators do? Actuators are controlling the valves. It receives command to physically adjust walls. So these are actually controlling the walls, switches, motors. So this is the function of the actuator. Then B point is controllers, RTU and PLC. RTU, what RTU do? RTU connect to field sensors, okay, converts raw data to digital signal, okay, raw data to digital signal, send them to the master system, So these are the functions of the RTU, remote terminal unit. What is long form? Remote terminal unit. It connects sensors to the field sensors. We will draw one architecture also. What PLC do? It acts as a rudged local computer. Okay, and that run fast control logic and handle machine safety tasks. Local computer, it runs fast control logic and handle machine safety task. machine safety task. Okay, so this is the function of PLC. Then master terminal unit, this we will discuss MTU. It is the central computer server. MTU is central computer server that processes data, that processes data. Okay, run software, and coordinate the whole network, and coordinate whole network. So this MTU, master terminal unit, is a very important part of the SCADA system. Data historian, a specialized database. It is a database that saves massive logs, saves massive logs of time series operational data for future review. Logs of time series operational data for future use. Operational data for future use. So this is the data historian. Communication infra. What is the communication infra here? So network and protocols may be wired or Wi-Fi or wireless, we can say. Wireless communication may be there. That wireless links that pass data back and forth. So data is sent back and forth between field gear and control center. Field and control center. Data is sent and received between control center and field by this network that may be wired and with the Wi-Fi or wireless. Fiber optic may be one of the cable option. Fiber optics, FO cable there may be used, and protocols like Modbus and DNP3. These are the protocols used. Now last is HMI, human machine interface. Human machine interface, software and screen. Dashboard and visual graphics that shows operator live plant status. It is a screen, dashboard you can say, and visual graphics. Okay, so HMI is doing like a screen, and that shows operator's live plant status. Okay, trends and plant status. and alarm warnings. So this is the all about SCADA system for the substations. Here SCADA communication system, SCADA supervisory system, master control unit, controllers, RTU and PLCs, field sensors, how this works we have seen. So for today it is all about SCADA.